Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 2 24th of February 2021 question. Question number 14. A curve y is equal to fx passing through the point 1, 2 satisfy the differential equation x dy dx plus y is equal to bx to the power 4 such that integration 1 to 2 fx dx is equal to 62 by 5. The value of b is 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of definite integration. So this is a memory based question. The equation is given here, that is x dy by dx plus y is equal to b x to the power 4. Now dy by dx, simplifying this, y by x, that is equal to bx cube. So integrating factor is equal to e to the power integration dx by x, that is equal to e to the power log of x, that is equal to only x. So the solution is equal to y into x is equal to integration x into b x cube dx plus c. That implies xy is equal to b x to the power 5 by 5 plus c. So it is passes through, that is 1 comma 2. So it is passes through 1 comma 2. So it is satisfied 1 comma 2. So here we get c is equal to 2 minus b by 5. When we put a x is equal to 1 and it is 1 into 2. So here we get c is equal to 2 minus b by 5. So putting this value, therefore the equation become xy is equal to bx to the power 5 by 5 plus 2 minus b by 5. Now we should calculate the given value is 1 to 2 fx dx is equal to 62 by 5. Therefore integration 1 to 2 fx dx is equal to 62 by 5. That implies integration, that is 1 to 2 y fx means y is equal to this. So now we just dividing x with both of these. So here we get bx to the power 4 by 5 minus, sorry, it is plus 2 minus b by 5 by x dx, that is equal to 62 by 5. So now integrating this one, so here we get b by 5 into x to the power 5 by 5 plus 2 minus b by 5 ln x between the limit 1 to 2, that is equal to 62 by 5. So after calculating and putting the values, so putting the upper and lower limit, here we get b is equal to 10. So we reached, it is our required answer, and the option 1 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 14. Now moving to question 15. So question 15 says that a curve y is equal to x square plus bx plus c passing through the point 1, 2 has slope of tangent at origin equal to 1, then ordered triplet a, b, c must be, 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of a, that is coordinate geometry. So, and it's a memory based question. The given curve y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, and it is passes through 1, 2, passes through what point? Passes through 1, 2. So it satisfies this equation. Therefore here we get 2 is equal to a plus b plus c. So this is equation 1. Now differentiating this one. So dy dx is equal to 2 ax plus b. Now slope of the tangent at origin. Slope of the tangent at origin. Slope of tangent. Now slope of tangent at origin. So therefore that is equal, we may say b is equal to 1, as the slope of the tangent is origin is equal to 1. So here we get 1, and therefore b is equal to 1. So from 1, putting b is equal to 1, therefore here we get a plus c is equal to 1. So we should calculate the point, but no other condition is given here. So one point is b is 1 here, but other condition is a plus c is equal to 1. So go through the options. Our fourth option is rejected, because here b is equal to 1 and it is minus 1. So fourth option is rejected here. Now checking the option 1, 2 and 3. So at first 1, let's check 1 a half and c 0, that is not equal to 1 here. Let's check option 2. So option 2, 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1. So option 2 is our correct choice, as here b is equal to 1 and a is equal to 1 and c is equal to 0. Therefore it satisfies the condition a plus c is equal to 1. Therefore option 2 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 15. Now moving toward question 16. Now question 16. The value of integration 1 to 3 greatest integer function x square minus 2x minus 2 is dx, where these denote the greatest integer function. So 4 options are given and it's a memory based question. So the greatest integer function is equal to, we may say I is equal to integration 1 to 3 a greatest integer function x square minus 2x minus 2 dx is given here. So at first 1 to 3. Now making a formula, that is square x minus 1 whole square and x minus 3 dx. Now eliminated these two, one, that is 1 2 3 x minus 1 x minus 1 square, x minus 1, that is, it is first bracket and it is third bracket, show this one, and it is minus 3 integration 1 to 3 dx. So here we get, let x minus 1 is equal to t, that is dx is equal to dt. So that is equal to I is equal to integration 0 to 2, it is greatest integer function t square, as because limit is changed here, so it is dt minus 3 into 2 dx. So that is x 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So that is equal to, now break this one. So here we get 0 to 1 0 dt plus integration 1 to root 2 1 dt plus integration root 2 to root 3 2 dt plus this one is final one, root 3 to root 4, that is equal to 2 3 dt minus 6. So this is equal to 0 plus root 2 minus 1 plus 2 into root 3 minus root 2 plus 3 into 2 minus root 3 minus of 6. So after simplifying, here we get minus 1 minus root 2 minus root 3. So it is our required solution. So this is the integral value, and our option is minus 1 minus 2 minus root 2 minus root 3. So option 1 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 16. So these are the three solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.